हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम पढ़ेंगे काइनेटिक थ्योरी ऑफ गैसेज। एज वी नो दैट काइनेटिक थ्योरी ऑफ गैसेज इज गिवन बाय मैक्सवेल, बोल्ट्जमैन एंड क्लेसियस, एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू देम दिस थ्योरी डील्स विद द मोलिकुलर एंड काइनेटिक नेचर ऑफ द गैसेज। मीन्स उनकी मोलिकुलर स्टेट कैसी होती है और काइनेटिक एनर्जी के बारे में बात करती है। तो इस काइनेटिक थ्योरी ऑफ गैसेज के कुछ पोस्टुलेट्स हैं। दिस पोस्टुलेट्स आर all the gases are made up of very small particles called molecules, and these molecules of all the different gases are आइडेंटिकल इन शेप, साइज एंड मास। यानी कि सभी पार्टिकल्स, चाहे कोई भी गैस हो, सभी पार्टिकल्स आइडेंटिकल होंगे शेप, साइज एंड मास में। सेकेंड पोस्टुलेट है कि वॉल्यूम ऑफ वन मोलिक्यूल इज नेग्लिजिबल एज कम्पेयर टू टोटल वॉल्यूम ऑफ द गैस। क्योंकि एक मोलिक्यूल का साइज बहुत स्मॉल होता है, इसलिए उसके जो टोटल वॉल्यूम के कंपैरिजन में जो एक मोलिक्यूल है उसका मास, उसका जो वॉल्यूम है वो नेग्लिजिबल होगा। नेक्स्ट पोस्टुलेट इज फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन आर नेग्लिजिबल इन molecules. There is no force of attraction or no force of repulsion is present between the molecules. Collision between the molecules are elastic, means the interaction between the molecules takes place, and between the molecules, collision between the molecules is elastic because there is no loss of energy takes place, only redistribution of energy between the particles or molecules takes place. Next postulate is the velocity and kinetic energy of the molecules is directly proportional to the absolute temperature, means जो absolute temperature increases, kinetic energy and velocity increases. Molecule collide with the walls of the container and with each other, and they exert pressure on the walls of the container. And the last postulate of kinetic theory of gases is that there is no effect of gravitational force on the मोशन ऑफ द मॉलिक्यूल्स। ये तो पोस्टुलेट्स थे काइनेटिक थ्योरी ऑफ गैसेज के। अब हम काइनेटिक गैस इक्वेशन का डेरिवेशन करेंगे। सो टू फाइंड आउट द काइनेटिक गैस इक्वेशन वी कंसिडर ए बॉक्स ऑफ लेंथ L, एंड दिस बॉक्स कंटेन n नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल्स एंड मास ऑफ ईच पार्टिकल इज इक्वल टू m. Now if we consider a molecule moving with a velocity v, as we know that velocity is a vector quantity, so this can be resolved into three components like vx, vy, vz along x, y, z direction. Now initially we consider the motion of the particle along the face A, then the momentum transferred before collision is equal to mass into velocity, and after collision as the direction of the molecule is changed, so this is equal to minus mvx. So net momentum transferred is equal to sum of these two, difference of these two momentum, and this is equal to 2mvx. When the particle move with the speed v centimeter per second, then total distance traveled by the molecule in 1 second is equal to v centimeter. So total number of collision in 1 second is equal to vx centimeter distance upon twice of the length of the box. means the particles L की साइड, A फेस की साइड जाएगा तो डिस्टेंस L ट्रैवल करेगा, और वापस आएगा तो कितनी ट्रैवल करेगा, वापस से L करेगा। एक कोलिजन के बाद दूसरा कोलिजन तक उसको दोबारा से L प्लस L डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल करनी पड़ेगी। सो द टोटल नंबर ऑफ कोलिजन इन 1 सेकेंड इज इक्वल टू vx centimeter upon 2L. Now we have to find out the change in momentum. This is equal to net momentum transferred multiplied by total number of collision in 1 second. When we put these values, then the change in momentum is equal to mvx square upon L. As we know that this momentum is only when a particle is moving along a face. Now this same amount of momentum is produced by the molecule when it moves along B. As we know that there is A and B are the faces present along x-axis, so total change in momentum along x-axis is equal to 2mv x square by L. Similarly, change in momentum along y-axis is equal to 2mv y square by L, and along z-axis is 2mv z square by L, where vx, vy and vz are the velocity components along x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. Now the total change in momentum is the sum of along the three axes. So this is equal to sum of these all, and it equal to 2mv square upon L. Now as we consider that there are only total n number of particles are present, and these particles are moving with velocity v1, v2 up to Vn. So change in momentum is equal to 2m by L into V1 square plus V2 square plus V3 square up to Vn square. By multiplying this by n and dividing by this n, this equation becomes equal to this, and we put the value of V1 square by V2 square up to Vn square by n is equal to u, where u is the root mean square velocity. So according to, as we know that according to Newton's second law, change in momentum is equal to force. Then by putting this value is equal to force, as force pressure is equal to force upon area, then we put the value of force and area is equal to 6L square. By solving this, L cube is equal to volume, and the equation becomes equal to PV is equal to 1 by 3 mn u square, where u is the root mean square velocity, and this is the kinetic gas equation. Thank you.